If you are unable to hang kind of upside down from the dip bars as I was doing there for the rows for your back, what you can also do is just hold the bars like so, lean back, and pull your elbows into the sides of your body like so. Hold that position for a few seconds before lowering yourself back down, and then slowly pull yourself back up like so. Imagine you're just pulling with your elbows. Pull the elbows to the sides of your body, hold there at the top, lower yourself like so. This is also a fantastic rowing motion to engage the back muscles. So if you have a fear of maybe hanging upside down, or you don't believe you have the grip strength to hang upside down yet, you can also do rows using the dip bars like that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video in quite some time. I'm on the island of Jeju in South Korea doing a lot of walking, but here in Korea they have a lot of exercise equipment all over the place. So when I come across some, I do some exercise movements. Here are two fantastic movements to work your upper body. The first is the dip, and depending on your shoulder ability, you don't have to go all the way down past parallel at the shoulder joint, the elbows. You don't have to. You can do partial dips. Just lower yourself a few inches, push yourself up, and you can even move your biceps, turn your arms inwards, try to point the pit of your elbow, the pit of the arm to the front at the top of the movement to really work your chest. So I'm just lowering myself here a few inches, focusing on using my chest to raise my body up. Of course, you can go down lower if you're able to, but it's not necessary. And then after doing dips, if you really want to work the back muscles, fantastic movement is simply this. So these two movements, really great for your upper body, your chest, your shoulders, your triceps. Now here, for the back muscles, if you can, lift yourself up like so. Try to keep your body straight. Pull your body up like so. Hold it there for a few minutes to engage the back muscles. Lower yourself and do a full stretch. Pull yourself up, hold yourself. Down, up. This is a fantastic row movement for your back muscles. Of course, be careful when you're in that upside down position. You just want to be very careful. You don't want to let your hands slip. What you can do for extra security is wrap your thumb around the bar when you hold yourself. I wasn't doing that there, but you can do that. So two fantastic movements. What else you can do with these dip bars to work your upper body is some isometrics. Like so. Imagine I want to push my arms up through the bars, but of course I won't be able to because these bars are stuck down into the ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to inhale, and then I'm going to exhale, and as I'm exhaling I'm going to push up for a few seconds. Fantastic isometric movement for your shoulders. You're mimicking a shoulder press. What else can you do to engage your shoulders? A fantastic movement for your delts, your shoulders. Imagine you're doing some dumbbell lateral raises like so. What you can do here, same type of isometric exercise. Here I'm going to imagine I have dumbbells in my hand and I'm going to try to raise my arms up like so. But of course I won't be able to because there's an unmovable object here. I can inhale, and then I'm going to exhale. As I'm exhaling, I'm going to use force and push against the bars. Even a few minutes like that, pushing against the bars with force, a few seconds rather, can be fantastic for targeting your muscles. You can also mimic a bent over raise or rear delt raise for your delts, for your shoulders. Same again, I'm going to inhale and I'm going to exhale and then push out against the bars. Try that, something like that. A few seconds of force against an immovable object can be fantastic for targeting those muscles. So the dip And the back row that I was doing there, those two movements, fantastic for targeting your upper body. You can also do, as I did, some shoulder presses and some lateral raises and some bent over lateral raises in an isometric fashion like that. Well, I hope you enjoy this quick video, and I'll see you again soon with the jump rope video. Thanks for watching, everyone.